Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Evernote notebooks before deprecation changes easy. To backup your Evernote notebooks, start by opening the Evernote application on your device. Next, navigate to the left sidebar, where you will see your list of notebooks. Select the notebook you wish to backup by clicking on its name. Once your notebook is open, go to the top menu bar. Click on File. In the drop-down menu, choose the Export Note option. A dialog box will appear asking you to select your export format. Opt for the Evernote XML format, .NX, for the best compatibility. Choose your export destination by selecting the folder where you want to save the file. Give your file a name that will help you identify the notebook later. Click Save to export your notebook. Repeat this process for any additional notebooks you wish to backup. If you have many notebooks, consider creating a folder specifically for your Evernote backups. To ensure a complete backup, also export any tags you have created. Remember to check all notebooks and notes have been successfully exported. After completing the export, navigate to your backup folder to verify the saved files. Make multiple copies of your backup files by saving them on an external drive or cloud storage. This way, you have a secure backup before any deprecation changes take effect. You are now equipped with a hassle-free method to backup your Evernote notebooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.